Howdy, I've got a new journal that's just been published on Amazon from me and London Creative, and it's called the Anti-Fragile Journal. Do you remember this picture there that I painted a few months ago? Look familiar? Yep, I just used that picture as the reference. I made the journal cover, and it's a hardback, and it's got this book belongs to page, and then inside is lined and blank pages and little icons and emojis and so forth to inspire or to add to the pages rather than just being a blank page. That's a big arrow to draw something maybe, and just squiggly line. Just makes it a little bit different. And it's got a little description on the back about origin of the journal and that. But today I'm going to cover it. I wanted a hardback cover, so I made this. I want to make a grimoire, you know, a spell book, a manifestation book, something to write ideas and plots and things like that in, but mostly just to create some sort of visual on the cover. I've got some corners and some little hinge pieces, and I've got things like random objects and that, which if they're flat should be pretty good and useful as a key. And I've got Pinterest boards where images like that, those sort of ideas. Just got to kind of work out what it is that we're going to do now. Well, here we are. These are some random charms and things I bought. I'm just looking to see if anything can go onto the cover. Little shapes to add to it. Nothing three-dimensional. Keys might be useful. Playboy bunnies are really not really the thing, are they? It's not really in keeping. Okay, so a few of them, but also have that. So I'm thinking strap with a latch there. Should I get them apart? Yeah. Yes. They're old birthday cards. Okay, so latch goes like that, like that. I have the keys, different sort of key, they're not old traditional sorts of keys, but central piece. You can put these little charms. And then we have to corner things like so. I think for the first book we're going to keep it fairly simple. Plus we put a piece in across the middle like that. So okay, so that's going in there like that. I'll go like that. And I'll get some card and make some strips. As per usual, messy work surface. I can't help it, it's the way I work. People comment that it's a mess. I'm a mess, 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 mess. I'm a mess, 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 mess. That goes there, that goes right there. Right, let's ruin the pretty journal cover. Probably not meant to do this. I'm going to glue metalwork. That's not going to work. It conducts the heat though. Bloody hell, that's hot. Some PVA, some water. that's all covered. I've got some tulle here. Tear a few bits off and just add a bit there. A bit of texture. You got to here with this. Just want to cut the edges of the tissue. So I'm kind of liking the. I always like the sort of slightly damaged and worn. I don't like the pristine, but for future reference, I think the tissues of a wet wipe are what's needed, not tissue paper. Okay, alright, need to work out furniture. First things first, this needs to go into here. It's bogged up with glue. Good. Going so well. Let's set fire to things. Yay! It wouldn't be a project if I didn't set fire to something. Let's go there. Look at that. It's like wonky, but then it adds to the charm. Okay, first things first. That's going up there like that. Just going to be on. See? It pays to keep things, even for 30 years. They're buried in a keepsake box for many years. Ah, spotted a mistake. Come off, you've got to get off. No. I buggered it up again. Way. Yeah, that's not coming off. Okay, we're going corner to corner. Unintentional thing, but it's worked. Sprinkling thing. Just searching around for anything and everything. There's just little tiny charms that are different, and some buttons and some pennies. All of these charms and things I've just had lying around forever. These few little things I bought as an intention to add into when I sell jewellery, and just little bits you put in the packages. But the peg and this button was off a shirt, pennies from holidays, the random coins you can never get rid of. Okay, just a coat of acrylic wash. So a bit of Mod Podge, some black paint, a little bit of soap. I'm just going to go like this. Makeup brush, way too much red paint. Dry brush this like this. Dilemmaing over what colour to do. And I was going to go turquoise, but I thought it's me, it's this channel, it's my book. So I'm going with red. As usual, I'm getting a bit carried away. I once bought a second-hand copy of Twilight, but I bought the book purely for the sides of the pages, which are this colour, red. I just liked the design of the book, so I'm trying to emulate that now. I fear that the pages are going to stick together now. Take this, which is the expensive, rather nice gold paint, and I'm going to just add the last bit One book, one covered book, one latched book with a red binding. You still have a book inside. A nice book. A book available to buy on Amazon should you need a notepad, hardcover. Of course, it now won't look like this. I don't think I could really make these to sell on Amazon. So there we go. First attempt. And it is a first attempt because there's always more books. It's just a random one I found for like a couple of quid. Same sort of thing. And we'll come back and we'll do more. I think next time we need a theme. I need some sort of, rather than just using new random objects that I had, little adornments and things. But I used up all of those random things I had, pegs and buttons and pennies and keys and so forth. Not bad. Not bad. Do say that rather a lot. If you like this, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know. Give me a theme for next one. Nautical or something. I don't know. Nautical's been a bit done. Leave me comments. And if you're not already and you like this sort of randomness and diversity of making art, then, and not just making models or painting flower paintings every now and then you should hit subscribe. Go down there, click subscribe and come back each week for something new and different. Until then, bye. I want to do what's it called? I don't know what. What's the word? I want to do a spell book kind of look, kind of make a. No manageable. What's this? Shediloo. Who's Shediloo? Good. Really knock the camera, just make sure. So stop trying to get things out of being. As you can tell, my hand is still shaking. Anxiety is not doing well these few days, but that's one of the effects of being me. I get very anxious at times. I can hear a dog. Somebody wants to go out. Hi. How you doing? Not yet. I know it's getting there, but not yet. Regular as clockwork. 3:30 every day, without fail. She'll come in and tell me it's time to go out. Leave the bin alone. Stop trying to get the cardboard box out to sit in it.